Guys. Khaningiboniseni hle. Hi guys. Khaningiboniseni bafethu. Seziphi zingazanabhutha zinole kanje. Like khandithe nani. Like kwenzeka nodi apha. Seziphi ezinwele. Which one is this one? Zange nabhideka kanje. Bengithenge iwater wave ne 24 inches water wave. But xa ndiyinantsika xa ndithi ingathi is Jerry Curls. I don't know man. Neniyazazi manele. What is this? Like what is this? And ke andifuna advertise because benifuna water wave 24 inches nizomfaka ku special. So andifuna ukuthi kanti mhlawumbe ndifake lo Jerry Curls supply and then xa sezifika to i customer of course azizufana most Jerry Curls no water wave ayizufana. So ndi like ndithetha loo nto ne customer. Ntombi ndithi uqumbu. Wow, chos. Uqumbu. Njani? Okay, I have let me show you water wave naye apha endlini. Ni comparison nalena and naye ndimkhombe out. And I feel like this is Jerry Curls. Yes, ngizoze sendiyikamela nami lento nditshoyo. Isa plastic in water wave and no guys, I water wave is lithanda inibonise water wave bese ndiyikhombe out nayo. So go to guys. Jonga, like look at this. Nyabo, this is water wave. You know, even. Yeah. Nditsho man ba andiphambani. Yabo water wave. Yabo. And then the Jerry Curls is like the Jerry Curls is even if volume yazo jonga angikazikhombi out nazonke ne guys inale weave available immediately ne I Jerry Curls andazi ba ndisichithela ntoni nganibozi eziphi qala. By the way, let me show you i-weaves available immediately. Dinalo water wave, which is glueless. It's 4x4 glueless. You just wear and go. And this was something to nalo ni bamama apha. This one is going for 1,500. At the same time, if you want full frontal, you can full frontal, but I available immediately. But this one is available immediately. That means if you pay today, it's extended with a customer zam. Ne? So the jungle gay price is Jerry Curls. And then I have this one. I bought this one for myself, but Haibo, this one was 16-inch lona, UDD, got 16 inches. Himalin, UDD got 16 inches lona, chocolate brown. It's available immediately. And it's fine if you call him those tatayo is.
Oh, wait,
but
you bought that one for yourself?
Yes, I bought this one for me.
Wow.
But I feel like if there's someone umfunayo ndingamnikeza because ngikwenza ponytail xa ndigoduka ndinganantsiki. Cela undiphe if I couldn't faka le calculator. Umama imali le. Oh, it's 1.5. Sorry. It's 1.5 UDD. It's fine done. It's 1.5 this one. It's available immediately now. Ikhona lapha endlini. This is not single drawn. 16-inch. This color. It's DD, yes. It's not S.
Oh, it's paper there.
It's DD then. It's DD. And then eBay.
Got tested.
Guys ngisazokwenza ivideo ngezinantsika kodwa shame. But ibe ngi-26 inches. 28 inches color 4. It's 2.6 ne. Ngona no 2000 esanana. But papa yini ntwana wonke umuntu uthi izi-jerry curls is.
What jerry curls?
Wonke umuntu uthi izi-jerry curls is. And bye guys, nijonge ivideo zami zonenzela inantsika ivideo ye-weavers available immediately. Bengisandabona thina banama ndiyagula sikhamethe uthi zi-water weaver phela athi hayi zi-jerry curls.
Siyapitisa phela.
Hayi